So here we have a 2010 Kubota B3030 with a model LA403 front end loader. It is a quick attach loader. You can see the built-in parking stand arms right here. It's equipped with R4 tires all around. You'll see it is hydrostatic. There's the HST. Here's your foot pedal right here, called the treadle pedal. You have forward up here, and then reverse back here. You can just rest your foot on here the entire time. Foot brake is right up top there. Here we've got ignition and parking brake, flashers and light controls, gauge cluster and your throttle. This particular unit has 480 hours on it. Right over here is your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive select. Get that to focus at all. Shifts in and out of two and four-wheel drive really smooth. Rear differential. It says weight adjust on there if you can read that. Get that to focus there. Just for the seat. Very nice seat, very comfortable seat. In great condition with a couple of armrests. Come around the other side here. Take a look at those controls. So we've got high, neutral, medium, and low for the range. You'll see this is equipped with rear and mid PTO. There's your PTO select right there. Just the rear. You can run the mid and the rear at the same time, or just the mid. And right there is your lever to engage the PTO. So, nice little tractor. Plenty of life left in it. Bucket edges straight all around. There we go. Sorry about that. Trying to get in focus. A little bit of paint off, but solid condition. Right there, bucket level indicator. So if you're in the operator's seat there and you want to try to keep a flat edge on the surface you're plowing or scraping, use that as an eyeball indicator there. It does have folding ROPS, so you can fit it inside a standard height 7-foot garage door. It's powered by a 30 horsepower Kubota 4-cylinder diesel engine. We'll go ahead and fire it up here in a minute. This loader also does have the float position, so I'll go ahead and push this forward, and then you can see the pressure just released from the cylinders there. Always a great function to have. Not that well known about, but very useful if you want to back drag to smooth out an area, or do what I did here, just clear a little bit of snow right here so we could take this video. Anyway, I'll hop on up, we'll fire this up. You'll see the glow plugs light up right here, and they're not going to turn off, so generally count to 5 or 10 depending on temperature. You can always turn them off like this, turn them right back on. Generally you want to start with the throttle about midway. You can always crank it back down right there. Pop that loader back out afloat. Now we've got this throttle pretty low, so the hydraulic cylinders are not moving as quick as they would. Try that again here. I'm going to do now is show you a little trick for any tractor you're looking at that has a front end loader on it and should be four-wheel drive. Here's a kind of an old way you can check to see if it actually is functioning properly. So I'm going to get on a flat surface right here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to throttle up a bit, and I'm going to push that loader down so that the front tires raise off the ground. And so if I'm in four-wheel drive, which I am, then those front tires, when I start pressing forward or backwards on the treadle pedal here, those front tires should be spinning. So just kind of a, you know, a little trick to determine if the four-wheel drive is functioning like it should, because it can be hard to tell if you're not on the right surface. And turn it off. So, good little tractor here. Again, 30 horsepower, four-wheel drive, hydrostatic, quick attach bucket, 3-range transmission. A lot of good stuff, good bang for the buck. So, you'll find this one on our website at goodworkstractors.com. Feel free to call or text us at 269-720-4107. If you like this video, want to see more, please subscribe to our channel. Also, like and share it with your friends. Thanks for looking and have a great day.